Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Fatihah. In this video, I will share with you on how to teach our children to be able to describe actions by using at least 2 words per utterances in order to improve their language and communication skills. So, let's get started. So, how to do this activity? Firstly, we introduce the concept of action. So, in this video, we teach our children to be able to describe action at least using 2 words. So in this video we have the action as well as the item. For example, here we explain to them that I am throwing the action throwing, and the item is ball. So I am now currently throwing a ball. Secondly, we model this behavior to our children to help them understand better. So now we explain with modeling with explanation. So now I am throwing this ball. I am throwing this ball. Throwing ball. And lastly, we ask them to imitate these actions or behavior. So ask them to throwing ball. So next I will continue with the benefits of this activity. With this activity, it will improve children's understanding on the concept of actions. For example, like what I have in front of me is this beans. So right now I am scooping these beans. Scooping beans. Or another example can be drum. So I am currently tapping drum. Second benefits is it will improve children communication skill. For example, they will learn to plan the word to be able to speak in a correct sentence. For example, they will learn to plan the verb as well as the item together. So it will help children to communicate with their peers. And lastly, it will improve children vocabulary and language skill. For example, they will learn new language, accordingly to their environment. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching.